Yo, 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 what's the dealio, man? Listen, you already know I got a straight banger for you today, all right? So in this video, what I want to talk about is the seasons. All right, this is a little bag we about to get in real quick. I don't want to take up too much of y'all time, but y'all know we did a video about how trading and the days of the week, right? We talked about trading in the days of the week. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna talk about trading and the seasons. Every year we got 4 seasons. Okay? I want you guys to always understand that we are all nature. We are all nature. We are all seeds. When you have a child, you plant your seed inside of a woman and that seed grows. So we are all a part of nature, right? So if that's the case, we got to always look at nature to be able to understand and get better at things. So we have 4 seasons in life, right? We have 2 extremes and then we got 2 middles. We got winter, we got summer. Those are extremes, extremely cold, extremely hot. Then we got spring and fall, and those are in the middle. Okay? Now, I want you guys to understand that the world is designed around these seasons. If you take a step back, the world is designed around these seasons. Period, point blank, no question, it ain't even a question. The world is designed around these seasons. So with that being said, the year starts off, okay, the new year, the calendar year, America's year starts off on January 1st. So when we're looking at the stock market, it starts off on January 1st on the year. Now, what does that mean? That means that puts us in at winter. So the new year starts in winter, okay? Now, what does winter represent, y'all? What does winter represent? Right here. It represents rest and reflection, okay? Right? It brings a well-deserved rest for the farmer. I'm looking up stuff about farming, right? Because I want to tie this in, right? The fields lie fallow, right? Covered in a blanket of snow. The season allows time for reflection on the year's past successes and challenges. Farmers use this period to plan for the next year, repair equipment, and attend administrative tasks. It's a quieter time, but crucial for ensuring that everything in place for the cycle of new beginning, anew in the spring. Okay? So what does that mean? So when we looking at, you as a trader, okay, in the winter time, let's think. All right? Everything in the wintertime goes dead, right? Nothing really grows in the winter. Reflection. So, reflection, right? Looking at portfolio. Creating plan. Not going too heavy in trades, right? Back testing. Okay, back testing. So in the wintertime, in the winter months, this is kind of what your focus should be on with your trading. Reflecting. Looking at your portfolio. What sectors are this? What sectors are going to do something, right? Beginning of the year stuff. Right? That's how it goes for the wintertime. Right? You don't want to be trying to be too on the offense in January because the year is just starting out. Y'all see what I'm saying? So what's next? The spring months. Okay? That's the real new year. Let's go to the spring months. Spring months. A time of renewal. Right? Spring is a season of renewal and rebirth. Okay? As the frost melts and soil warms, farmers begin preparing their fields for planting. This involves plowing, fertilizing, and sowing seeds. Okay, it's a busy time filled with anticipation as the seeds are planted with hopes of a bountiful harvest. Spring rains nourish the young plants. Okay, farmers must be vigilant in protecting their crops from pests and disease. All right. So what does that mean over here? Right? So you're going to have, stocks are going to pop. Okay? Or they're going to wake up, right? Stocks will go on runs, right? Momentum moves. Now, I'm not saying stocks don't make moves in the wintertime, but what I'm saying is in the springtime, you're going to start to see certain things wake up, certain sectors wake up, right? Because we got momentum now. Things are waking up, right? So this is where you could be a little bit more aggressive in your trading. Y'all see what I'm saying? You could be a little bit more aggressive in your trading because these months yield this type of energy. Y'all see what I'm saying? I want to be very clear. These type of months yield this type of energy. Okay? So you planting seeds, you might be getting into certain trades, or you might get into trades in the winter months, but these are your leaps, right? Or you might get into some long-term swing trades in those spring months. And then you might see the stocks run up in your spring months because it woke up. Y'all see what I'm saying? Then we got the summer. Okay? With the arrival of summer, the crops begin to grow vigorously. This is a season of long days and hard work. Farmers spend their time irrigating fields, managing weeds, and ensuring that their crops receive the necessary nutrients. It is also a critical period for monitoring the health of the crops, as they are susceptible to various threats such as drought, pests, and storms. The farmer's vigilant care during summer sets the stage for the success of the harvest, right? So in the summertime, right, these summer months that we're in right here, this is when you got to really, you got to recheck in, okay? You got to relook at your portfolio, right? You got to assess your trading strategy, right? You got to really think about it. You got to dive in to your statistics and analytics, right? I said relook at, right? So the summer months right now, it's time to really assess everything. How have I been doing? Have I been losing money? Have I been giving away money to the market? You see what I'm saying? This is a time where people get lazy. People start forgetting what's going on. So now you're going to have pests trying to, take your crops. Ants, rodents, they're going to try to take all the crops. We got to look at the nutrient. Okay, is my portfolio healthy? Do I need to take profits in the summer months? Right? Everybody is going on vacation. All the big companies, CEOs, this is a time where they go on vacation. Kids is out of school. So all of these things could kind of slow things down a little bit because everybody is trying to live life a little bit. Right? This is really a flow every single year. Right? And then what happens? Right here, autumn and the harvest and celebration. Right? Autumn, the season of harvest, is a time of both labor and celebration. Right? Farmers work tirelessly to gather crops that have matured over the summer. It's a race against time to bring the harvest before the onset of cold weather. The fruits of the farmer's labor are finally realized, and the bounty is stored, sold, and processed. This season also brings a sense of accomplishment and gratitude, often celebrated with harvest festivals and communal gatherings. Right? So now we're looking at the fall/autumn. Y'all see what's happening? Right? Fall/autumn. Okay? And what do they call this? AKA harvest season. Okay? Now, when is it? When does fall come into play? September 21st. So from September 21st to December 21st is fall, is autumn, is harvest season before it gets cold. right, to December, right? That 3-month period, okay? Now, this is also the fourth quarter. Going into the fourth quarter. This is where a lot of portfolio growth happens. I'm not saying it doesn't happen throughout the year, but this is when you start really, securing profits. Big moves are made in the market, right? Securing profits. Basically, enjoying fruits of your labor, right? Seeing the benefits of your trading strategy, right? This is how the game goes. So we got winter time from December 21st to March, right? And then we go into spring. And then we go from the spring to the summer. In the winter time, you want to just be reflective. You want to be looking at your portfolio. You want to be asking yourself, okay, what's the real game plan for the year? Yeah, you want to think about that in December, but in the first couple months of the year, it's really just a warm up. It's really just the market is just retesting stuff. Okay? And then you go into the spring months. There's going to be a pop. There's going to be momentum. There's going to be volatility. The market's going to wake up. Everybody is back in office from the vacations, right? From the holidays. And then summertime. Okay, people going to go on vacation, but it's going to be things that's going to come up and it's going to try to take your money away, take your gains away, right? Take your faith away. And that's when you want to understand what's going on in the summertime. Okay? And then in the fall, we got harvest season. That's when you're going to start seeing the market going to be trending up. After everything that happened, you had a crazy summer, the market does its thing, and then boom, we in there, we in that thing, right? So that's harvest season. And this is where you secure your profits before it gets cold and before everything dies off, right? So this is the flow of the year when it comes to trading, investing, everything. If you look at big companies, most of their profit throughout the year comes in the last 3 months of the year. Harvest season, right? Most people spend a lot of money when the last 3 months of the year, harvest season. So those last 3 months is when all the seeds that you've been planting and nourishing and focusing on the whole year, they start to blossom. And not only do they blossom, they grow. And then you could go pick apples off your apple tree that you was growing all the way back in January, getting it ready, right? All them flowers that you was planting. Now you could go get them flowers and go, give them to somebody. All the fruit, all the food that you was working on is finally here. This goes back to your personal growth as well. You've been working on yourself all year. You've been planting seeds all year. Don't give up in the springtime. Don't give up in the summertime when you know that, pests and rodents is going to try to take the nutrients out of your crops. No, focus and lock in. See it through all the way to harvest season. Because when harvest season comes, you are going to be happy that you did not give up. All right, y'all? So that is what I want to say. These are the seasons, y'all. These are the seasons of the market. This is a season every single year, and this is a real thing. This happens every single year, y'all. All right? So please use this, utilize this, and allow this to be a part of your life and your understanding, because when you understand it like this, no matter what season you're in your life, you're going to be like, oh yeah, I know what time it is. I see what this is doing. Go study agriculture and see how it factors into real life. And I promise you're going to be like, dang, that's real right there. Okay? So I hope that this video helped you guys out. I hope that it blessed you, because when I understood this, it blessed me. Like I always say, make sure you get up out your head. Go get into this world, because your head is a dangerous place to live, y'all. All right? And also remember, the more you study, the less you worry. All right? Y'all have a great day. I'm going to holler at you guys on the next video. Y'all stay smooth, man. Peace.